In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a spotlight effect in Canva. This look is perfect when you want one subject, product, or bit of text to stand out while everything else fades into the background, just like a real stage light drawing attention to the star of the show. First, set up your base image. Open your Canva design and upload or add the photo or layout you want to highlight. You can make it the full background to set the scene, or keep it as a central element if your design has other pieces around it. Take a moment to size and position it so the area you want to spotlight is placed where it makes visual sense, usually near the center or along a strong focal line. Next, dim the rest of the design with a dark overlay. Go to Elements and choose a simple square or rectangle, then stretch it to cover the entire canvas from edge to edge. Fill it with a dark color, black or a deep gray works well, and lower the transparency until the scene feels muted without losing detail. A range between about 40 and 70% is a good starting point. Make sure this overlay sits above your background image so it actually darkens it. If it covers everything including your future spotlight, don't worry. We'll bring the light back in a second. Now, create the spotlight itself. In Elements, search for a circle and add it to your canvas. Place the circle over the area you want to highlight and scale it up until it feels like a natural pool of light. Change its color to white or a very light tone and reduce the transparency so it reads as light rather than a solid shape. Something around 20 to 40% usually looks soft and realistic. If you prefer a harder, punchier beam, reduce the transparency less. Use the position controls to keep the dark overlay above the background and the circle above the overlay so the light appears to cut through the dimming layer. To finish, fine-tune the mood and focus. Click your background image and open Edit Image, then adjust. Gently lower the brightness to deepen the scene behind the spotlight, which increases contrast and makes your focal point pop. If vignette is available, add a subtle vignette to darken the corners and guide the eye inward. Small tweaks go a long way. Keep adjusting transparency, circle size, and brightness until the spotlight feels natural and your subject truly stands out.